Good afternoon, dear viewer. Let's have a look at the markets. So what I prepared today is BTC, um, DXY, and S&P 500. So let's start with maybe let's start with DXY. So after yesterday's Powell speech, we had a big move up on the DXY. Yeah, big scary candle, but maybe not so much. Let's see on the 4 hour. So we have a big move here, but we are right at resistance. So this resistance comes from these stops here and these lows here. Yeah? So until this is broken, we don't have to worry that much. So a drop on the DXY normally also coincides with uh, a move up on the markets, but it's still nothing confirmed. Maybe we get some kind of a swing failure pattern here and then go back down. I don't know. Like always, I don't know what direction the market is going in. I can only see areas of resistance, areas of support, maybe some decent setups in terms of Elliott waves. So here, and especially if I look on the daily, I'm not sure how these candle formations work with DXY, but this looks to me like a spinning top at the moment. So we had a decent move up, and then right at resistance, this looks to me like a spinning top, to be honest. But let's see. I mean, the daily candle is not closed yet. We'll see. Let's see the S&P 500. So let's go down maybe to the 4 hour chart first. So in my last video, I said I really don't like this candle here. Yeah. And this was really confirmed because I said also that we have to sustain or we have to ensure that the range of this specific correction is kept before we or before we drop after taking out this area here. And we came across this area of resistance, and then we got a drop, and then I said, okay, let's take the height of this correction, lay it over here, and let's see where we are with this after this move down. And I said, I don't like how these candles reject from this area. And I said this looks bad. And then we got this big drop. I was sorry, I'm not trading the index because I would have taken a short position here for sure, seeing this. And let's see what happened next. Yeah, so we got the big drop. So in terms of Elliott waves, my understanding is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a full impulse. And then what I was thinking, after this big wave 3, I was thinking to myself, okay, then I would not, I take the height of this wave 1, and I don't want to see it broken with this last wave. So I overlaid it here, and I said to myself, let's hide this one for a minute. And I said to myself, yeah, that doesn't look too bad. That doesn't look too bad. We didn't break it. So fingers crossed, this was the last wave, or maybe we get some consolidation here, maybe one last rush down. We'll see. And then we should get some bounce up. How high? Yeah, so what I expect is we get at least to the 50% of this correction here. So I would say, let's mark it off with this one here. So we have a small range here. Small range is between here and our support is here. Our support is somewhere here. There we go. So mid of this range would be the 0.5 fib. So I would mark it off also roughly with with a line. So it's this high here pretty much. So what I expect is that on the bounce, I mean, it's not going to go in a straight line up, but it's probably going to make some kind of a jagged pattern up to the upside, and then we will have big resistance here. If we break it, so if we say, if we go like so, yeah, and then break this high again, that to me means that we are probably gonna touch this resistance here again. And what I like as well as about this is if we go on the daily, we have this reversal pattern at the bottom. Yeah. So if the daily closes like so, we have a reversal pattern. So that reinforces the idea that we should at least get to the mid of this range, and then we'll see. If it's really a corrective pattern, so an ABC, I would see it like so. So this is one, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we get A, B, C. And what would be interesting, if you know harmonic pattern trading, then that would give us a bullish Gartley. So that's 618, then a move up here, and then what does it say? 786 roughly here. And that would mean we could look for support somewhere here and look for some kind of a reversal. So this low here lines up almost perfectly with this and with these lows here. So that could be our support later on if we get a drop. So that's what I would look out for. DXY we already discussed. Let's have a look at BTC. So what I'm seeing on BTC, it's very simple. I mean, in terms of Elliott waves, it's not that simple, but what I would count it as is ABC, ABC. So that's one, or that's our A. Sorry, that's our A. That's our B, and that's our C. But I already said this could be our 3. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I should put it here. 3, 3, and this is our 5. This is a 3, 3, 5 pattern. So we have 1, 2, 3. We should have some kind of a 4 here, 5, and then we get a relief bounce at least. Yeah. So my expectation would be that we would again come back maybe to somewhere here as a minimum. Yeah. To test this these lows here, 23,200 roughly. Yeah. So that would give us, if we drop down to somewhere here, that would give us around about 50% of retracement. And then we'll see. I mean, for me, I would say this is our wave A. Then we get a B, and then we get a C. So that's the minimum I would want to see. A, B, C. Unless very slight chance, this is our ABC, A, B, C, and then we go up. But very unlikely, to be honest. I don't know. This does not look like wave 4 to me, but I could be wrong. We didn't even correct to 30, or we didn't even get 38% move down. So let's see our fib. Yeah, that would be exactly the 3H2 fib is a very commonly retraced to fib for wave 4. So this is still possible. Yeah. So we could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's still possible. But let's see. So in any case, what I'm doing now is, like you see, we are losing mid of this range. Yeah? So I expect it to drop to somewhere here. I have my orders parked here. Let's see if we can get a bounce. I hope we get a bounce. I mean, the bare minimum at the moment, what I would want to see is something like this, and then maybe go up, or maybe tap this and then slowly grind up. But let's see. I mean, if I look at the indicators, so let's have a look real quick. MACD curling down again, so not so good, but then we have a divergence already here. So between this wave here and this wave, so they formed a higher low, while we have a higher lower lows on the chart. And let's see RSI. I don't see a divergence here yet. Yeah, so maybe that's what the market also sees, and they want to wait for this. Yeah, so they want to wait until the divergence is formed. So if this wave drops here and we get a higher low on the chart, maybe that's a trigger for some kind of a move up. So that's how I would see it. In any case, you know, if we drift down here, so let me get these indicators out of the way. If we drift down here, I'm buying and expecting a move up at least to this level. On the other hand, if we drift up here for some reason, then I'll be looking to short, and hopefully the target is here. Yeah, very simple. I'm not like making it very complicated. This area, you know, why this I see as resistance is this was former support. You could see all these wicks in here, and then it formed a top on here. So that's for me resistance. So hopefully when we get there, I can short from here at least to the mid of the range. That would be the bare minimum. Okie dokes. That's all I have for today. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a very, very good day. Bye.